Biggest thing overlooked for commercial businesses, from what I've seen in the area, has been keeping up with the gutters and the roofs. It tends to get overlooked. Most homeowners don't realize that the whole gutter system has to flow and stay flowing in order for damage to not happen to their home. They most of the time will see some leaking over the side. They just don't realize that it's actually continually causing damage to the house. And so to make sure that your home has a properly functioning gutter system, they need to be taken care of once a year. Most of our clients put us on a yearly cleaning schedule with them, and that allows us to put eyes on it each year and make sure that it's being taken care of. The gutter cleaning service that we provide, we go through by hand, scoop and bucket, and we have our hands in it, and we're able to see any issues that might happen, like if the spike and ferrules from the gutter system is loose and it's hanging wrong or whatever. We're able to see that stuff and can help the homeowner out with them. We also flow test the system and check the downspouts for flow and make sure that those aren't clogged up. We have a snake. We can go through and get any of those clogs out of there and just make sure the whole system's flowing how it should. We had great satisfaction from our clients, and being able to provide customer service is something that we enjoy being able to do.